Pluto TV, how can I get Pluto TV on my TV? Pluto TV is a free, ad-supported streaming service offering a wide range of live TV channels and on-demand content. Launched in 2014 and acquired by Paramount Global in 2019, Pluto TV has become a major player in the streaming landscape, reaching millions of users worldwide. Key features of Pluto TV: 1. Free access. Pluto TV is completely free to use, supported by advertisements rather than subscriptions. It does not require credit card information or hidden fees. 2. Channel lineup. It offers over 250 live TV channels, including news, sports, entertainment, movies, and niche content. Channels are organized into categories like comedy, classic TV, documentaries, and more. 3. On-demand library. Pluto TV provides an extensive library of on-demand movies and TV shows, including content from major studios like Paramount Pictures, Nickelodeon, and CBS. 4. Availability. It is accessible on multiple platforms, including web browsers, smart TVs, example Samsung, LG, streaming devices, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and mobile apps, iOS and Android. It's also some cable providers' systems. 5. Global reach. Pluto TV is available in more than 30 countries, including the US, Canada, parts of Europe, and Latin America. Regional content is tailored to local audiences while maintaining global hits. 6. Content partners. It collaborates with prominent networks and brands like CBS News, MTV, Comedy Central, and others, offering both live programming and curated on-demand content. 7. User experience. The interface resembles traditional cable TV, making it user-friendly for those transitioning from cable to streaming. It allows viewers to channel surf and discover new programs. Pluto TV provides an excellent alternative for users looking to enjoy a variety of content without subscription costs. Its diverse offerings and accessibility have made it a top choice in the free streaming space.